अजीब दास्तां है ये कहा शुरू कहा खत्म. I was checking for lip balm. Steal? What do I steal?
Hi, I'm Lavanya and I'm at the Jagran Film Festival 2024. We will want to show you as to whom did Brute pumped into at this film festival. Please try
Hi,
to
this is Arjun Kapoor for Proof. Nice smile on my face.
Could you just describe yourself in one hashtag?
Not actually grumpy.
Your go-to emoji in DMs. You have to enact it for us.
Oh, that nowadays because I've been getting a lot of nice reactions for Singham, so the heart, actual heart being made emoji, that one.
What's your guilty pleasure binge watch show?
It's not. I don't know if it's guilty pleasure, but I love Abbott Elementary, and the new season came out. I binge watched the whole season in one on last Sunday. I finished it. Yeah.
If you had to pick a theme song for your life, what would it be from one of your movies?
Oh, from my movies. No, it's tough. From my movies, I mean, not really had a Imtiaz Ali's kind of film that I've done yet, which has got a journey of life. I'm trying to remember. I mean.
Okay, if not your
yeah.
movies, like
I always say Ajeeb Daastan hai ye kaha shuru kaha khatam. That's a pretty apt song that seems to always work for my story. Yeah.
one food item you can never say no to, no matter the time of the day.
Strangely, black coffee I can have even in the middle of the night and still fall asleep. I don't know if that counts as food.
Morning gym session or late night Netflix binge, what wins for you?
No, I work out late in the night and watch movies till the morning.
What's a movie or song you wish you had been a part of?
I mean, no, like Maharaja is an unbelievable film. I wish I was part of a film like that. I really enjoyed watching it. A song of late, what are the really nice songs? I would love to do the step with Vicky and Tauba Tauba. You know, I don't want to replace him. I just want to do that step with him because I think he's made it so look so effortless. Yeah.
What's the weirdest thing you've Googled recently?
I was checking for lip balms because I was coming to Delhi, so I forgot what lip balm I used to use. I was trying to remember what lip balm it was.
What's the funniest co-star you've worked with?
There'll be a lot of them who'll get upset. I have too many funny co-stars, I think. But Ranveer ranks right up there because of my camaraderie with him. Yeah.
If you could tell us one thing that you always steal from hotel rooms.
Steal? What do I steal? This thing is when they leave like that. I love white chocolate, you know. So if they put those two pieces, then I always end up having that white chocolate. So I try and tell them, don't put that. That's the only thing I get really excited about. Yeah.
Your favorite football club?
Chelsea.
Messi or Ronaldo?
John Terry.